Hey, what's up guys? Diggin' Dave here. So I was able to pick up some Pokemon cards from my local Walmart. I have 11 packs of Battle Styles. I have 1 pack of Darkness Ablaze and 1 pack of Sword and Shield Rebel Clash. But I was also able to pick up this tin here. It's a Shining Fates tin. So we get 6 booster packs in this. I think we're going to start off with the tin here. We'll see what we can find. It looks like it comes with a Eldegoss V. I think it's a promo most likely. I'll go ahead and open this up quick. See what we have. Sorry, hopefully that's not too loud on the microphone. Go ahead and open up this tin. All right, there we go. So yeah, it is a promo because it came out of the tin. I've been pretty lucky lately to be able to, find some packs at my local Walmart. So there we go. Let me try to get this out without bending the card. That would be nice. All right, so there we go, guys. This is a pretty cool card. I'll have to look up the value, but Eldegoss V promo card. Definitely go ahead and throw this in a sleeve quick. Right there, that's a pretty cool looking card. Promo. Here is a code card for anyone who wants it. And then here we go. We get 6 packs of Shining Fates. So 6 packs of Shining Fates. Like I said, we're going to go ahead and start off with the Shining Fates packs. I obviously haven't weighed them or anything. I just opened them up. But let's see what we can get. Actually, let me go ahead and pull up TCG Player here. Just so if we pull any cool cards, we can maybe look up the value. These are, we have the Shining Fates and then the Shiny Volt. So I'll open up both of those. All right, I have those opened up. So if we find anything cool, then we can look them up. And I just cut my nails the other day, so now it's going to be a pain to open up these packs, but here we go. Ooh, we have a white... Wait, I'm trying to remember. On the Shining Fates, are they all white code cards? I know for a certain set, you can tell if you have something good by, if you have a white code card or a green code card. But there's the code. And I don't know for sure. We'll just do the 4-card trick to see what we have. But all right, guys, here we go. The Rusted Shield. Oh, there's the promo we got, but uncommon. Rookie. Shinx. Horsey. Yama. Ooh! Okay, I'll take that. Very first pack, we get a rare Hollow Galarian Wheezing End. How do you say that? This is a shiny. I know this is a shiny rare. Thwacky, maybe? Let me go ahead and look this up since we have it up here. So this is what am I saying it right? Thwacky? I'm probably totally mispronouncing the name. But I know that's a pretty good pull on the first pack. Just give me a minute to find the card here. I know you guys like me to look up the values when I find something. Hopefully I can find it. Oh, crap! Okay, this one's actually worth... This one's worth a little more. It's saying $9.23. So that's a good pull on the first pack. Right there. Shiny Volt Is it like a baby shiny Thwacky? That's pretty cool. How's the centering on it? The centering's a little off. But again, looks like about a $9 card, maybe $8 or $9. That's pretty cool. Near mint condition. Yeah, it's looking about an $8 to $9 card. All right, I'll take that all day. And guys, let me know in the comments if you don't want me to look up the prices. I don't have to. And then there's a rare holo Galarian Weezing. Pretty cool. Hopefully this video is not too long. Second pack here of Shining Fates. If I ever get that Charizard, I'll probably just pass out. Right, it looks like we have another white code card. So I think I read for the Shining Fates that they're all they might all be white cards, but right, there is a code for anyone who wants it. I'm just gonna... I don't know enough about Pokemon, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the card trick. Energy, alright. That's the one we just found, but uncommon. Cramorant, Rotom, Choodle, Eevee, Nickit, Horsey, another... What? Yo, these are some good packs. Frost Moth, Holo Rare. Guys, we just got another baby shiny Poltegeist. 2 packs in a row. I've been having some good luck lately. Let me try to find this one. Let me try to find this one really quick. I'm gonna look up the price on that one. What is it? Poltegeist or something like that? Alright, we gotta go back here. Alright, so this one's about a $3 card, so not terrible. Definitely worth putting in a sleeve. It's pretty cool. Another shiny. I will take that all day. I will take that all day. 2 packs in a row. Not bad. Alright, so we have 4 packs left of the Shining Fates. Will our luck continue? Man, sometimes I cannot open these packs. Yeah, I think all the code cards for these are white, so that kind of proves my theory. Code card. That kind of proves my theory. But I've only been opening up Pokemon cards for about a month now, and I really enjoy the Shining Fates. Energy, Ball Guy, Rusted Sword, again, Morpeko, Choodle, Nickit, Grookey, Morpeko, Thwacky, looks like a reverse holo uncommon, and alright, looks like this is a pretty normal pack. Dreadnought rare. So nothing too special in that pack. But you know, you can't have a winner in every pack, so oh man, is that gonna have the Charizard in it? That would just be absolutely insane. That would be absolutely insane if we could pull that Charizard. There is a code card. One, two, three, 4. Come on, give us something good. Give us something good. Rusted Sword, Ball Guy, Yanma, Morpeko, Coughing, Cacnea, Flower, and... Alright, looks like a boss's order, non-holo rare. Nothing too special, and an uncommon reverse holo Ball Guy. Oh man, give us something crazy in these last 2 packs. All right, let's save the Charizard pack for last. Let's save that for last. I'm having a fun time opening these packs today. They do not want to open. They do not want to open for me very well. Code. Come on, give us something good. Here we go, guys. Team Trainer, Team Yell Tower, Floatzills, Gnome, Groki, Jinx, Corsia, Yanma, and... Yo! Whoa, 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 what is this? Pokey Kid. Yo! Is this a full art? Guys, let me look this up really quick. Yo, that's a pretty cool pull right there. I think this is under... It's not a secret rare because it's 70 of 72. It'd be an ultra rare, I believe. Wait, would it be? Oh, nice! Pokey Kid full art. This is about a $12 card. Nice pull. Let's go. I will take that all day. That's a pretty cool pull right there. About a $11, $12 card. The centering is definitely heavier on the right here, but I will take that, guys. Pokey Kid full art. Let's go. And we had a reverse hollow common. That's not a bad pull right there. Pokey Kid. All right. All right, one more pack of the Shining Fates, and then we have some battle styles and some other packs. What are we going to get? Is the Charizard pack going to give us any luck? I need to get like a tool or something to help open up these packs, guys. Some of these packs do not want to open up. And I don't want to... Last thing you want to do is damage the cards, right? Code? Ah. Alright, guys, here we go. Last pack of Shining Fates. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if we can get anything in the last pack. Aldegoss, Tropius, Morpeko, Spinarak, Groki, Eevee, Snom, and Professor's Research non-holo rare. Alright. I would say, though, out of those packs, we had some pretty good pulls. The Pokey Kid full art, and then we had 2 shinies. A Wacky, which is like, what, a $10 card, and Poltegeist. So, I'm not complaining. I'm pretty happy. This is a cool card, that Pokey Kid. Never found that before. Alright, guys. So, we do have 11 packs of Battle Styles, but now we're just going to open up. I've never opened up Rebel Clash before. So, let's just open this up and see. I'm not even sure really what to look for in these, but, I guess we'll find out. I guess we'll find out. It's a green code card, so I'm assuming we're not going to find anything too special in this pack. But there's a code card. All right, let's just go right to it then. Reverse Hollow, Uncommon, and the rare is a Galarian Berserker. Well, alright, nothing special there. We have 1 pack of Darkness Ablaze. Let's go ahead and open this up. Hope for that white code card. Come on. And, well, let's see. Ooh, we got a white code card. Is that good for Shining Fates? No, this is Darkness Ablaze, my bad. But there is... I'm not sure for Darkness Ablaze. Yeah, that's what we just opened, right? Yeah, the Darkness Ablaze. I was getting confused there. I'm not sure if... But I think the white code card is good, so we'll see. There is a code. So this right here, we only had one pack of Darkness Ablaze. Let's see what we can find. Old PC. Bull Rock. Nick it.
Put your hands up, bitch.
Yo! Butterfree VMAX. Guys, I only had one pack of Darkness Ablaze. My luck lately has been crazy. All right, let me pull that up quick. I think I had a buddy of mine who found this, but literally one pack and we pull a VMAX Butterfree. That is pretty awesome. All right, let's see here. Darkness Ablaze, and let's go ahead and do Ultra Rare. Okay, nice. Butterfree VMAX is about, I'd say about a $4 card. All right. Well, at least out of only buying one pack, I definitely got my money's worth in that pack. Butterfree VMAX. Awesome. Centering's not... Oh, it's a lot. Okay. Not the best, but I'll take that. That's sweet. Guys, I'm hoping this isn't going to be a super long video, but if it is, it is. All right, next we have 11 packs of Battle Styles. Let's see what we can find in the Battle Styles here. I've really been enjoying the Battle Styles. I found the Golden Houndoom. I had a couple other good pulls if you watch my other videos, but all right, we're starting off on a green code card, so we'll just go straight to it in this pack. Blitbug, Reverse Hollow Common, and a Prime 8 Rare. Alright, so nothing in that pack. Just grabbing random packs here. Here, let me show you guys quick. Like I said, I pulled, about a week ago, I pulled the Golden Secret Rare Houndoom. Love this card. And I also pulled, let's see here. I also pulled the Single Strike Urshifu. I also pulled the Single Strike Urshifu VMAX and the Rapid Strike Urshifu V. So I've had some good pulls in the Battle Styles. All right, let's go ahead and open up another pack here. Some of these packs are just a pain. Ooh, okay, we're on to something. We got a white code card. Always good to see. Boom. Come on. Tyranitar, alternate art, or... I'll take any alternate art, honestly. Any alternate art would be pretty cool. Cape Rope, Grumpig, Timber, Porkfish, Cacnea. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Single Strike, Point, Power of Waters, and what do we have? Yo! Yes! Oh my god! I just said I wanted to pull this. Are you kidding me? Guys, this is a hard card to pull. Let me look it up quick. I'm on TCG Player for Battle Styles. This is a secret rare. Guys, this is one of the best cards in this set. This isn't single strike Urshifu VMAX alternate art. This is going for about $63. Guys, I found the Golden Houndoom. I just found this. I feel like my luck has just been crazy. Are you kidding me? Oh. Wow, that centering is rough. Thicker to... Wow, This is a crazy card. Let's go. Definitely going to put that in a top loader. Let's freaking go. Man. Guys, let's go. This is one of the best cards in the set. Secret rare alternate art single strike Urshifu. Yo, I am in love with this card. If I don't pull anything else, I don't even care. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Guys, we still have 9 packs left. I think it's going to be hard to top that. Unless we pull like a Tyranitar alternate art or something like that. But, man, guys, I am having a hard time getting these packs open today. My apologies. Wow, yo! Okay, 2 packs in a row with a white code card. Yo, let's go. Let's go. There's a code. If we pull something crazy again, Guys, like I said, I've only been opening up Pokemon cards for about a month now. I knew absolutely nothing about Pokemon until I started opening cards. I am having a blast. Oh man, let's see. Electabuzz. I think it's going to be hard to beat that secret rare alternate art Urshifu, but you never know. Playdow rare and... Okay, Victini V. 2 packs in a row. Not as good as the Urshifu, but I'll take this. It is a rare, ultra rare. I'm guessing maybe $1 or $2 for this. I'm not sure. Yep, $1.50 for this Victini. I'll take it though. It's better than nothing. Alright, there we go. Guys, I still can't believe I just pulled this. Beautiful card. Beautiful. And we also had a reverse holo clay dull rare. I don't know what it's been. I just feel like, I don't know if this is just beginner's luck or I've just been pulling a lot of good cards. Maybe it's the area I live. I don't know. I just feel like since I've started, you know, this journey of opening up Pokemon cards, my luck has just been really good. And we have a green code card. So my luck was not as good on this pack, but that's okay. There's the code. Let's just go straight to it. Uncommon, Pignite, Reverse Holo, and the rare is a Marowak. Alright. Like I said, guys, if I don't pull anything else, I don't even care. It would be nice. It would definitely be nice, but I'm happy. Alright, another green code. Alright, we're gonna get a couple green code cards, it looks like. We can pull one more cool card, I would be happy. All right, reverse hollow. Oh, it's a rare. Lick-a-licky or something like that. All right. Not terrible, but nothing nothing too special there. We have 6 packs left, guys. 6 packs left. Are we going to get another? Oh, let's go. Whenever you see that white code card, you just get excited. Code. All right, what are we going to pull in here? 1, 2, 3, 4. What are we going to pull, guys? Tool Jammer, Golbat, Cacnea, Kyle. What are we going to get, guys? Oh, Mr. Mime, Scatterbug, Gilgar, and... all right, Corviknight V. I'll take that. Corviknight V, that's about a $2 card. Corviknight V. And this is not a full art, I don't believe, but I'll take that. Corviknight V. I'll take that all day. Nice. But we have 5 packs left. Let's hope this doesn't slow down on us. Let's just hope we keep pulling some cool stuff. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Green. All right. Boom. Go straight to it. Reverse Hollow, Onyx, Common, and Galarian Slowbro Rare. Okay. All right. I still can't believe I pulled that Urshifu. I know you guys are probably tired of hearing it. The alternate art. Secret rare. I'm just freaking, it's freaking awesome. There's got to be a trick to opening these packs. Maybe I just need to not cut my nails. All right, another green. All right. Let's hope these last few packs aren't all green code cards, but there's a code. Reverse, Hollow, Common, Horsey, and Aegislash, Rare, Non-Hollow. Alright. 3 packs left, guys. Let's go ahead and open up the Urshifu last. You know, I've watched a lot of videos, and a lot of people say that the pull rates on Battle Styles is very bad, and people aren't finding anything. I guess I've just been lucky, because I've been finding some pretty cool cards. Man, another green. Come on. We're probably going to get all green cards at the end. But that's alright. First Hollow Esper Common. Phalanx Rapid Strike Rare. Alright. 2 packs left. Come on, let's get something. Ooh, yes, let's go, guys. White code card. There you go. Let's see if we can find something cool. 2, 3, 4. Here we go, guys. What are we gonna find? Rapid Strike Mustard, Cheryl, Eatmore, Slowpoke, Yamper, Murkrow, Talent, Bellsprout, Indeedee, and here we go, guys. What is going on? No way, no way. This is another alternate art, guys. I know for a fact. Empoleon V alternate full art. This is about a $40 card. I really wanted this card. That is a beauty. Man, the centering has been pretty bad on the battle styles, but guys, Empoleon V alternate full art. This and the Urshifu, are you kidding? I only had 11 packs. 11 packs. I definitely made my money back in this video. Definitely made my money back. Look at that beauty. Empoleon V Rapid Strike alternate full art. Wow. All right. We have one pack left, guys. Are we gonna have any last pack magic? Let's see. Let's go ahead and see here. Yes, we are. What is going on with these packs? We're ending the video strong with a white code card. There's the code. If we pull something crazy, that would be... I mean, out of 11 packs, that Urshifu, Empoleon... Actually, both of those good pulls, the Empoleon and the Urshifu, are both alternate arts. Alright, here we go. 2, 3, 4. Alright, guys, here we go. Timber. Porkfish. Eat more. I already did the card trick and I forgot. What? I've pulled this card before. This is a Heat More reverse. I don't even care about that. It's cool though. These packs are insane. Single Strike Urshifu VMAX. I actually pulled this card. Beautiful card though. This card right here is, let me look it up. This is about a $12 card. So these packs, only 11 packs of battle styles. That's insane. Guys, I can't believe it. I still cannot believe. See, these cards look very common, but you can see the difference between the alternate art and then the single strike. It is this a full art? No, I don't think so. It's just a single strike ultra rare VMAX. I still can't believe we pulled the alternate art. And then an Empoleon V alternate art. Guys, yeah, we can't forget about the other finds. Butterfree VMAX. Okie Kid. Actually, I need to put that in a top loader. Ulti Geist Shiny. The Wacky Shiny. And then this was the promo. But wow. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure and like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Keep on digging.